Rock update as 11 p.m. PST, August 24th. We're gonna start tonight with 95L because it's our first invest in but it'll probably be very short-lived. It does have a broad LSC, but I mean they went down to 40%, so chances are actually starting to go down for it. So I mean, it wouldn't totally surprise me, but time's running out. Maybe another 24 hours or so, maybe a little bit longer, maybe 36 hours before entering cooler water. I mean, I wouldn't say no, but I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if it doesn't do anything. Next, we look at 96L, which is the actual interesting system for the Atlantic. It's 11.2 north and 18.3 west. This system is looking damn good tonight. I mean, look at this. I mean, clearly, you got an LSC down running here, and it's clearly closed within the convection. You could argue this already is a depression with this signature and this convection being sustained. Look at this track. West to west northwest for the next 2 to 4 days, then turning more northward into the trough. Longer term, most likely. Yeah, we definitely have a trough off the East Coast, which is going to turn everything this season. Yeah. Let's look at the intensity models. Most make it expected to show a strong tropical storm by 48 hours. So by this time tomorrow night, it could be a tropical storm. I wouldn't be surprised it already is, but hey, I mean. But, yeah, I mean, realistically, AHC probably will upgrade it by this time tomorrow, or maybe they'll fuck around a day or two. I don't know. They seem to do a lot of that with these systems. Here's the GFS at 36 hours, as you can see. Let's go to 72 hours at 993 millibars. Let's go to 120 hours. Definitely a decent system, but pulling north. It's cutting right for the ridge. I mean, the end of the troughs here. I wouldn't be surprised a little bit. I'd say a little bit more west, but probably more like the CMC, maybe a little bit north. I've got a solid ridge to the north here. ECMWF agrees with that. I mean, but if it says south, it's right in the middle of that tut, which means it's going to be in a less favorable condition. So if it pulls north, it goes into the subtropics. You got a chance to be, a decent system. Which is really what you need this year. You got things that are absolutely hostile. ECMWF pretty much dissipates at 144. GFS takes it further north, so it has a better chance. This is a hurricane. 180, 967. Yeah, it turns into the subtropics and allows it to be in more favorable conditions. You also have a system off Mexico by this time. Which way, we got quite a few systems expecting to develop in each Pacific longer term. Let's go to 210. Yeah, it's recurving. And you got a system, it's off Mexico 979, which is a hurricane at this time also. Let's look at the ECAI. It doesn't show anything at all. Let's look at the... Did they take that off? Oh yeah, it's right there. Let's see. That doesn't show anything either. I mean, what the... 168. Yeah, that actually keeps itself for... Which means it gets shared to shit. I mean... Let's look at the end of this. Nothing. Let's look at the GFS. Nothing other than, let's look at 258. This our hurricane. Hey, that's gonna be the big one this season. I mean, the weather's a nice eye. About the only goddamn thing that looks good. I mean, but I think that's possible. Built 2009. Yeah, could be. Her, this, which is close to a hurricane, but the ANC is not forecasting a hurricane because it's going to be moving the colder water pretty soon. About this past year, it's going to be moving the colder water. It's going to start weakening most likely. Um, let's take a look at it. 19.6 north and 18.2 west. I mean, it just is that that's kind of a CDO, but it's just not that organized. It's probably peaking. It's going to move northwestward for the next few days, turning more westward as it moves more within the trade winds. Yeah. That's shadow system. Not really expecting this to strengthen anymore. Reaching this peak about now. Let's look at 10E. I mean, remember 91E? It formed the LSC. I mean, it's moving northward, then it's going to shift. It's probably going to merge with the other system, let's be honest. I mean, yeah. Here it is. I mean, they're looking pretty decent as LSC, convection. I'd say about 40 dots in my opinion, maybe a little bit stronger. It's definitely not a depression. I mean, when you see a signature type LC convection like that, it's not a depression at all. I mean, it's a tropical storm. But ANC's refusing. And what can I say? They do a lot of that. Low 34.1 north. I mean, it's still 50 knots. I would be surprised it's still 50. I would be surprised it's closer to a hurricane. It's definitely holding its own. It will move northwest for the next few days, dissipating in the next 48 to 72 hours. But this is pretty incredible. I mean, way the fuck up there. I mean, I seen a subtropical storm in 2006 right about here. I mean, this is incredible. I mean, there's what's left of our tropical storm a few days ago. It has pretty knot winds. Kind of holding its own. It wouldn't surprise me it holds its own for the next couple of days as it moves west to westward. Longer term, let's be honest. I mean, we got a 2060 system. We got 4 off Mexico in the next few days. And we got to head west-northwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. We got another one. They had a 2050. We got a form. I mean, gonna be east-southeast of the Hawaiian Islands. Another one that's 40%. We got a form offshore southern Mexico, which is probably the one that scrapes Mexico in the models. I mean, the amount of activity is just, it's mind-blowing. But I think the most interesting thing is frankly going to be the first giant hurricane. I mean, in my opinion. And let's take a look at Sundell, which is down to 90 knots, high's gone, moving towards China. They're just doing its thing on the Gulf of Tonkin. Should move into China next few days. Out to the sea. Really, it's dissipating. Well, that's your world watch.